In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva AI Image Generator. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, create a new design or open an existing one where you want to add an AI-generated image. Next, click Apps from the left side menu and open Magic Media. Then select Images to access Canva's AI Image Generator. Now, type a detailed prompt describing the image you want to create. Include details such as the subject, style, colors, lighting, and background. You can also choose an art style if that option is available. After that, click Generate and wait a few moments while Canva creates your images. Review the results, and if you'd like a different outcome, edit your prompt and generate another set of images. Finally, click on the image you want to use, and it will be added to your design. Resize or reposition it as needed, then click the Share button and select Download to save your finished project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Canva AI Image Generator. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.